Hi folks, welcome back to the LeetCode SQL 50 series. So today we are with the new problem in sorting and grouping section, and you can see that the title of the problem is find followers count. Okay, so LeetCode 1729. So this is also a easy level problem, right? And if you go through on a high level, I think it is very small problem. Okay, so on a high level it is looking like a small problem, but let us see. Okay, let us read it and see if it is really a small problem or not. So we have been given with some small table followers, okay, which is having only two fields, user ID and follower ID. So guys, find followers count. I think with the title of the problem only you can guess that they're asking us to find for every user how many followers are there, count. Okay, right? So with the title of the problem only we can, we'll be getting what it would, what it would ask. Okay, so they are saying that both these two columns are the primary key, right, for this table. This table contains the IDs of a user and a follower in a social media app where the follower follows the user. That's it, guys, right? You have user ID and you have followers ID. Now they're asking us to write a solution for the, that will for each user return the number of followers. That's it, guys. For each user we need to give the followers count. Okay, and they are also saying that to order it by the user ID in ascending order. That's it, guys. So very similar to our previous problem. Very easy problem, guys. Not only easy but very easy. Okay, it is very easy, very easy problem. Okay, in LeetCode. So what we need to do, guys, uh, we need to group it, right? We need to group it by the user ID and take the count of followers in that particular group. Yes, na, guys. Very similar to the previous problem, but in previous problem we were having, we were filtering some data using having clause, but here in this problem we do not have that also. Okay, very small problem. Okay, so if we go through the sample test case, you can see that we have this followers table, right? So we have user ID 0 and follower ID is 1, and for user ID 1, follower ID is 0, and 2, the followers IDs are 0 and 2 again. Okay, 1. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to, for every user ID we need to find the followers count. So simply, right, we will just do the group by on this user ID, right, and groups will be formed right now, guys. So for 0th group it will have this record, for first group it will have this one record, and for the second group these two records will be present. For every group you need to apply the count of star, right, aggregation, to find out the number of rows in that particular groups, and that count of star is nothing but the number of followers. I hope you have understood right now, guys, right? So now we will quickly write this code, guys. Okay, I think, I believe it will be under 5 minutes this video. Okay, so yeah, let me write the code. So from the table, right, so from the table followers, we will be grouping it by the user ID. All right, then we're gonna select the user ID column and then take the count of star, okay, in that particular group, and this will give me the followers count. Very simple problem, guys. Okay, and I think that's it, right? They have not asked us anything. Yeah, one more thing is there, that is the ordering. Okay, order by user ID, okay, in ascending. So if you do not specify anything, it will be ascending. Okay, so let us run it. So it has passed, guys. You can see that the expected output and our actual output are matching. Without wasting any time, let us submit it and see if it is passing for all the backend test cases. So yes, guys, it has passed, right? Very simple problem, guys. If you have understood all my previous videos, if you have watched all my previous videos, then it is very easy problem. Okay, we are just doing a group by. And if you look the other solutions, this is a simple problem. That is why almost all solutions will have the same, logic. Okay, same code. Okay, so yes, guys, so that's it, right? Very simple problem. That's it from this problem. I hope you have understood it, right? So I'll meet you in the next problem. Until then, happy learning and thank you.